children, it's your day, and we, the teaching and non teaching staff of St. Francis School, Greater Noida, have been working tirelessly to make it truly special. On this beautiful day, dear children, I would like to share with you a short message. Look at the nature. There is an order. There is a system. I'm sure you have studied about the solar system. It's a system which is in perfect and amazing order. In our family, there is a value system. In our society, there is a value system. APJ Abdul Kalam, who is popularly known as People's President, stressed on the value system. No education is complete if you do not have a positive value system. Dear children, as you celebrate your day, I urge you to imbibe good human values. Stay motivated to do something good for others, for society, your family, parents, and friends. Take pride in what you do and be motivated to do good. Try to develop a positive attitude towards everything. If we don't have the right attitude, our perspective towards life may turn negative and lead to non-fulfillment of our true potential. You can only live a truly fulfilling and meaningful life if you serve others. Take the example of Mother Teresa of Kolkata. She spent her entire life serving the poor and underprivileged. Just think about our soldiers, teachers, doctors, nurses, the list goes on, and they are at their best service. Being service minded is the need of our time. Children, we need to acquire knowledge, no doubt about it. But at the same time, we need to also soak up the wisdom that our elders impart. Their life experiences are more precious than all the diamonds in the world. All will bloom into the responsible and remarkable young women and men and serve your family, the society, and nation with courage and passion. Wishing you a very blessed day.
रारी रारू हो रारी रू सुरमई अखियों में नन्ना मुन्ना एक सपना दे जा रे रारी रारू हो रारी रू रारी रारू हो रारी रू.
Hello Arzu, how are you and your little one?
Oh, hello Renuka. We are fine. I hope you two are doing great. How's your daughter?
She's doing great. See what I bought for her today, an iPad. My little computer genius will love it, isn't it?
iPad? But isn't it much for a few-month-old child?
Not at all. She would be a genius software engineer tomorrow. So, I have to plan from now on. I know she would love it and she would be thankful when she grows.
Okay. I hope she does. See you later, Renuka. I need to put Deepthi to sleep.
Oh, I forgot. I too need to take Shikha for her routine checkup. See you later. Bye.
दिल है छोटा सा छोटी सी आशा मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा चांद तारों को छूने की आशा आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा दिल है छोटा सा छोटी सी आशा मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा चांद तारों को छूने की आशा आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा दिल ही छोटा सा छोटी सी आशा
It was fun.
I loved it too. See, I told you, dance is always fun. Shikha, did you love it?
I did, Deepti. I feel relaxed. Dance is my passion, my dream. I wish I could always dance. But
Shikha, where are you? Shikha. Shikha, didn't I tell you to reach home at 5:30? It's 5:35 now. You know that your tuition teacher will be here soon. Do you realize how late you are?
sorry, Mom. I will just be ready before she comes.
I never understand. Why is Auntie so serious? We are just 10 years old. But Shikha, she's too burdened with school, tuition, and then those computer classes.
Yeah, I have only seen her happy when she dances. Else, she seems so disconnected from the world. But it might be good for her.
Let's not interrupt. It's our mother's choice after all. Don't parents always choose what is good for us?
Yes, they do. Let's go now.
Good evening, my beautiful girls. How are you?
Good evening, Auntie. We are fine. How about you?
My mom is as good and beautiful as always.
Indeed, she's our favorite. Too relaxed.
Too cool. You're really lucky, Deepti. I just feel sad for Shikha.
Shikha? What happened to her? Is she alright?
Yes, Mom, she is fine. It's just that we are worried about her. She's always under pressure of her mother. She's so quiet and she never loves and plays. She does not have a social life. Nothing but studies only. That is what she does.
No, dear. Never say so. Parents can never think wrong for their kids. She might be this way. Maybe she is okay. But it's her general nature. Do not think too much. I will talk to Renuka on this. Come, let's go home now. Freshen up and then time for some reading.
You too, Auntie? Do you also insist her to study every time?
No, Sudha. It's not like that. Mom says that studies are very important for knowledge. She has helped me to develop this reading habit, which is really good. Else, she gives me full freedom to play, to dance, to sing, to do all that I want to.
Yes, beta. Everything is equally important. Be it studies, sports, activities, everything holds its own importance. This is the time when you can develop all good skills which will make you confident in future.
I understand, Auntie. I will concentrate on my studies too.
Yes, thank you for this wonderful thought that you share. We promise to study well but practice all that we like.
That is good. So, that calls for a treat. Tomorrow at our place at 5. How about that? I will call Shikha and her mom too.
Wow, Arju, this is a nice concept. Party on one hand and teaching kids a few things about kitchen and flameless cooking. Wow, I really loved it. I knew for the first time that my Sudha is too good at fruit carving. See how beautiful these are?
Thank you, Sangeeta. I feel these little ways can help children find out their hidden talents. This may support them to take decisions about their career and future.
Oh, so you mean that Sangeeta should make Sudha a homemaker in future?
Hello, Renuka.
Renuka.
I really didn't mean that. But there is nothing bad in being a homemaker. You see, there are a lot of women who are great at it, and it's their choice.
And why only homemaker? She may be a chef tomorrow. She might be an artist. Well, that would be her choice, and I would be glad to help her.
Her choice. What are you even saying? Do you think they can think a bit for themselves? If I will leave choices to my daughter, she will keep singing and dancing. They are good for hobbies, but they don't add to their career in future. Anyways, I came here to drop Shikha for 20 minutes. I will pick her at 5:30. Sorry for being a bit late. She had to solve a test series before coming here. See you later.
You stay here for some time. You will enjoy. Please.
I'm sorry, Arzu. I have to go. I need to enroll Shikha into Java coachings from next week. I'm going to the institute.
Coaching? Renuka, don't you think she is too young to handle so much? School, tuition, computer, and now coaching?
Yes, Renuka, I'm worried. The child might not take so much. She's already too burdened. Please don't do that. She needs time for herself. She needs to relax.
Where is the time to relax, Arzu? See the competition outside. Kids get 100, 99%. How can I let her survive with just 95%? She's far behind, and this way she won't be able to crack those entrants in future. Anyways, I have to leave. Sorry. Bye.
I'm glad that you came. A sincere thanks to send your kids and cooperate for this great event.
Yes, we really are proud that parents have started understanding that kids need to have an all round development. Our school has a motive to support quality education and focus on all activities necessary to enhance their skills. That is the reason for this Talent Hunt Day. Thank you for allowing the kids to take part.
It's our pleasure, sir and ma'am. You have given us such a beautiful chance to see the talent of our kids. We are really thankful.
Indeed. I'm really satisfied to see the school working for all-round development of kids. I never knew till I saw Deepti practicing so well at home that she could sing and dance. I will see if she wants to join a dance or music club and will enroll her for the same.
What? Dance and music club? Do you really think it's good to enroll her for these and not for some educational programs? Well, thank you teachers for choosing my ward. I really did not want her to participate in dance and music, but in speech and debate only. But it's okay. Please don't enlist her name for these time-wasting activities again. She's really tired nowadays and does not want to study. It's clear in her networking test series.
Networking? But isn't it meant for higher classes or college levels? She's just 16 years old. I'm sorry, but she can relax a bit. Shikha is really a good singer and dancer. I've seen a passion for dance in her. I feel she can pursue her dream if she's really interested in theatre or dance.
Yes, of course. I have seen her happy while dancing, unlike any other occasions. Deepti and Shikha can really work on their dancing skills and earn a good name.
Please, ma'am, don't deviate my child from her goal. She has to become a software engineer and make her career in big companies. I have worked hard for it since she was a few months old. It's our dream. I'm allowing her to dance this time, but not again. Please excuse us.
Shikha, don't worry. Auntie loves you. She will really understand you someday.
That won't ever happen. She will never understand my pain. I don't want to become a software engineer. I don't like programming. I want to dance. I want to be a choreographer.
but that is too much to ask.
I have a plan. Let us give our best today. They are our parents. They love us. I'm sure they will support us.
Presenting before you the first event of the day, a melodious choir. These girls have been chosen from the whole school, and today they will present a beautiful mashup for the Dreamers.
छोटा गाँव है, अब तो भाई चल पड़ी अपनी ये नाव है। बादल पे पाँव है या छोटा गाँव है, अब तो भाई चल पड़ी अपनी ये नाव है। कभी लगे हाथ को छूकर खुशी उड़ गई, कभी लगे कभी ना आएगी हाथ ये मन चली। कभी छू लूं कभी पालूं, कभी आंख मूंद कोई सपना देख लूं, कभी चलूं कभी दौड़ूं, कभी उड़ने की ख्वाहिश दिल में रख लूं। उड़ जा उड़ जा उड़ जा
कई हजार सूरज से रोशनी, चांद से मांगा है प्यार।
कभी हंसना कभी रोना, कभी हर एक लम्हे से जीतना,
कभी पाना कभी खोना, कभी हाथों की ये लकीरें मोड़ना। उड़ जा उड़ जा उड़ जा ऊंचे आसमां को छू जा, जी जा जी जा जी जा अपने सपनों को जी जा। उड़ जा उड़ जा उड़ जा ऊंचे आसमां को छू जा, जी जा जी जा जी जा अपने सपनों को जी जा। उड़ जा
है अपना दिल तो आवारा, न जाने किस पे आएगा। है अपना दिल तो आवारा, न जाने किस पे आएगा। हसीनों ने बुलाया, गले से भी लगाया, बहुत समझाया, यही न समझा। हसीनों ने बुलाया, गले से भी लगाया, बहुत समझाया, यही न समझा। बहुत भोला है बेचारा,
What a power packed performance. This is what we call the hidden talent. And next, lined up for you, the Kalbelia girls who were selected among hundreds of applicants. The final show by the SFS dance troupe. A big round of applause for those top contestants who learned from their mentors and who were ready to be great artists of future. To perform well, we all need to be healthy, isn't it? So how can we just leave a few healthy habits, watch, learn and practice these? And next year we would love to see more participants on the stage. That has to be practiced. We want you to stay healthy always. We have something special coming up now. We are all here from different generations, and we know how have the time changed. Just for fun's sake, remembering our divas from different eras, we present the time travel.
प्यार हुआ इकरार हुआ है, प्यार से फिर क्यों डरता है दिल। प्यार हुआ इकरार हुआ है, प्यार से फिर क्यों डरता है दिल। आजकल तेरे मेरे प्यार के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर, सबको मालूम है और सबको खबर हो गई। आजकल तेरे मेरे प्यार के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर, सबको मालूम है और सबको खबर हो गई।
तो क्या आजकल तेरे मेरे प्यार के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर, सबको मालूम है और सबको खबर हो गई। दिल चीज़ क्या है आप मेरी जान लीजिए, बस एक बार मेरा कहा, बस एक बार मेरा कहा मान लीजिए। मैं ख्वाबों की शहज़ादी, मैं हूँ हर दिल पे छाई, बादल है मेरी जुल्फ़े, बिजली मेरी अंगड़ाई, बिजली गिराने मैं हूँ आई, बिजली गिराने मैं हूँ आई, कहती है मुझे तो हवा हवाई, हवा हवाई। दीदी तेरा देवर दीवाना, ओ दीदी तेरा देवर दीवाना, हाय राम कुड़ियों को डाले दाना, हाय राम कुड़ियों को डाले दाना। धंधा है ये उसका पुराना, पर धंधा है ये उसका पुराना, हाय राम कुड़ियों को डाले दाना, हाय राम कुड़ियों को डाले दाना।
चांद सितारे फूल और खुशबू, चांद सितारे फूल और खुशबू, ये तो सारे पुराने हैं। ताजा ताजा कली खिली है, हम उसके दीवाने हैं।
लख लख परदेसी girl, ain't nobody like my Desi girl। एक लख लख परदेसी girl, सब तो सोनी साड़ी देसी girl। Who's the hottest girl in the world? My Desi girl, my Desi girl। झुमका लगाई के she rock your world। My Desi girl, my Desi girl।
ऐ मेरी मेरी ज़हरा जबी, फुरकत गम मिटा जा, इश्क दा जान दिखा जा। तुम मेरा रात है आजा साथ, साथ निभा जा, साथ साथ निभा जा। ओ जो मेरा रात है आजा साथ, साथ निभा जा, साथ साथ निभा जा।
सर पे ओढ़ कर घूमर घूमर घूमे, हाँ घूमर घूमर घूमे, और लकड़ीत सब जग की छोड़ कर घूमर घूमर घूमे, भर के ढोला वाले ठाम पे घूमर 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 घूमे, घूमर घूमर घूमे रे कायसा घूमर घूमे।
तेरी मेरी गल्लाए होगी मशहूर, करना कभी तू मुझे नजरों से दूर।
किथे चलिए तू किथे चलिए तू किथे चलिए जानदा है दिल ये तो जान दिया तू तेरे बिना मैं ना रहूं मेरे बिना तू किथे चलिए तू किथे चलिए तू किथे चलिए काटू कैसे राता हो सावरे जिया नहीं जाता सुन बावरे के राता लंबे आ रे कटे तेरे संगे आ रे के राता लंबे आ रे कटे तेरे संगे आ रे
देखो देखो है शाम बड़ी दीवानी धीरे धीरे बन जाए ना कोई कहानी देखो देखो है शाम बड़ी दीवानी धीरे धीरे बन जाए ना कोई कहानी दिल पर है दिलकश है दिलदार नजारे हैं आज जमीन पर उतरे कितने सितारे हैं अगलो होश नमी दानम हम है दिल है और जानम बस दीवानगी 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 है ना कोई रहसन ना रहबर ये इल्जाम लगे किस पर बस दीवानगी 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 है All the hot girls put your hands up and say Om Shanti All the cool boys come on make some noise and say
Form, inform, and transform. This has always been the motive of our institution. To transform, we have to individually to something for the society, and here we present spectrum of ideas to serve the society, to show how an individual helps his or her society.
We are glad to share with you all some very good ideas that may help you to serve the society in everyday life. Our theme is Spectrum of Ideas to Serve the Society.
Indeed, we can serve our community in many ways. Let us start with simple job that we can do to help others.
Yes, we are talking about how to mentor our friends or juniors in society, such as in our neighborhood, children at the school, as well as children outside the school, to help them build up confidence to overcome challenges and achieve goals with effective ideas.
Before we tell you how it is beneficial, I want to ask, do you know who are mentors? A mentor can be anyone who is more experienced than us and can guide us to develop in various aspects of life. We can become their disciples when we begin to follow their instructions. Disciple means person who follows the direction of his or her mentor. It is a good luck to have a nice mentor in life whose advice will always benefit us to overcome challenges and grow our potential in everyday life. Let's find out what is a mentor and disciple relationship like.
Holidays are boring sometimes.
What happened, my dear child? You look sad. You know, I met a lawn tennis coach today at the club. I have decided to put you under his mentorship.
Coach? Mentor? But why? I think I can play tennis very well already. Mentors are not important. I don't need a mentor.
Yes, dear, you do. Come, let me explain. What do you see in my hand?
A needle and thread. What? Are we now learning embroidery?
No, sweetheart, just pay attention. That how needle helps the thread through all the small holes to reach the ultimate goal, which brings out this beautiful result. You see, The needle is like a mentor that shows the right direction to the thread, which is like its disciple, to help it to achieve the goal. In the end, it is not the mentor who is in the limelight, but the disciple who becomes successful through the valuable experience and guidance of his mentor. I know you can play tennis very well, but you must understand that a mentor will always help you become a better player.
Yes, having a good mentor is definitely a good luck.
So, we learned today that the relationship of the mentor and disciple is just like the needle and thread who work together for a great success.
Hello everyone. I would like to share another great idea to serve our society. I believe donating blood at the time of crisis is also a big help we can provide to our society without any difficulty. We just have to be sure that ourselves we are medically fit to donate blood.
Oh, yes, absolutely. The real heroes are the ones who save lives of people in reality, not in films or movies. Let us see a short movie on blood donation.
Hey guys, a blood donation camp is organized in our neighborhood. Let's donate the blood tomorrow. I will definitely go for it.
What? Are you serious? Blood donation? I have better things to do tomorrow, bro.
Yeah, why are you so concerned? There are many other people who can do this job. I am kind of scared with the needle anyway.
Hello? What? No, wait. Hey, which hospital?
What happened, dear? Why do you look shocked?
I have to rush to the hospital. My mother is in emergency. She met with an accident and she is critical now. Doctor, how is my mother's condition?
Please hurry and arrange 2 units of blood with O positive. Your mother urgently requires that. What is your blood group? We can take yours.
Mine is A positive, doctor.
Oh, then hurry up, please.
Please give me 2 units of O positive blood. It's urgent.
Sorry, sir. This blood group is unavailable. You can ask someone with blood group O positive to donate.
Hey dear, I heard your mother requires O positive blood units. If you need, I can donate my blood. My blood group is O positive.
I'm so sorry, dear, that I couldn't realize the importance and value of blood donation. You are like the savior right now to my mother. I'm so grateful to you.
You can say all this later, buddy. Let's hurry up for blood donation first.
And that's how his mother was saved. His friend was definitely a hero in real life.
Yes, no doubt about that. So, guys, let us all come forward to support blood donation in every way we can. It is a great way to serve the community.
Be a hero, donate blood, save lives.
I have seen people always wonder about how to serve the society. They often think that it requires huge amount of money to provide help to our society. Well, I'm glad to share one of the simplest thing we can do to help our community. I feel proud to say that our patron, Saint Francis of Assisi, also advocated thousands of years ago to serve community through saving our natural environment.
Yes, but you know, we may help our society with small initiatives that any one of us can take any day. For example, just plant a tree. This may sound simple and very easy, but trust me guys, it serves the people in society in many ways. Trees highly contribute to clean and healthy environment, not only for human beings but also for birds and animals.
I agree. They greatly benefit the people living around them by having a positive impact on mental health and well-being. They reduce stress by improving the air quality and encourage people for outdoor exercises in the park, or open grounds with trees all around.
Another simple yet effective way to serve our community is to use the solar power energy.
Absolutely. Use of solar power energy is good for the environment that further makes our community healthy and saves from many household expenditures.
It reduces air pollution. Unlike other fuel for energy like petrol, diesel or even gases, solar power help get rid of air pollution. The solar panels create clean energy that won't contribute to air pollution.
It also reduces water usage. A lot of water is used in other sources of energy to produce electricity. Solar power creates energy without water that helps in saving our precious water. If we encourage use of solar power, it will solve our water scarcity issue to a large extent.
It saves us from using non-renewable energy sources and help us become independent of all non-renewable sources of energy. This contributes to cleaner air and positive impact on health by improving air quality.
Very true. Overall, the use of solar power helps fight climate change, reducing the amount of carbon dioxide in the air. It will help our planet Earth to heal and slow down the climate change which may bring dangerous effects on our lives. So, let's shout out together. Go green, go clean, go solar.
You know, charity is something that brings real joy of living.
Yes, we must support charity. It purifies us in so many ways. It definitely makes us a better human. Let's see how we can support charity in simple ways.
I can't believe our daughter is going to be 10 years old next month.
I know. What an amazing feeling it is.
I really want to give a huge birthday party celebration this year to all my friends and relatives. After all, our daughter is so special for us.
Of course, why not? We will make this birthday party a memorable one with all great entertainment for our darling daughter.
What's the matter, darling? Why do you look so sad? Aren't you happy about your birthday celebration?
Oh dear, we are so sorry. We did not ask your opinion on the celebration. Come on, tell us what you want on your birthday. Anything for my darling.
Oh God. Mom and Dad, please stop talking about party and celebration. This time I don't want to call anyone. I don't want any party either.
Hey sweetie, what happened? Did we disappoint you?
No, Mom, not at all. Do you remember I went to the orphanage yesterday from school as an excursion?
Well, of course, I know. So?
Mom, I met so many children there. Some of them were my age, some were younger, and some of them were very small. They don't have their parents to take care of them. Dad, if you really want to make my birthday a special one for me, I have a kind request to you.
Sure, sweetie. Anything for you.
I want to visit to that orphanage with you too on my birthday. Instead of buying gift for me, I request you to buy food and gifts for those children in the orphanage. I really feel sorry for them and want to make them happy in some way.
Oh, sweetie, you are such an amazing girl. We are so proud of you.
This is just one of the ways we can support charity.
Now we successfully concludes today's event. Thank you everyone for being a part of SFS Talent Hunt.
जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना। जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना। चांद तारों से चलना है आगे, आसमानों से बढ़ना है आगे, और चांद तारों से चलना है आगे, आसमानों से बढ़ना है आगे। पीछे रह जाएगा ये जमाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना। और जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना।
That day, everyone who celebrated the day for their kids realized what they dreamt of. They now knew what they had to do and choose for themselves. But Renuka did not understand her daughter's heart. Shikha cried a lot that day and she lost interest in studies. She was stressed and she did not dare to look into anyone's eyes. So she hid herself in a den of depression all alone. Many years later, Sudha won the MasterChef award. Deepthi became a choreographer and Manisha became a well-renowned author. Shikha had worked hard and she became a software engineer. Renuka's dream was fulfilled, but she never expected that she would lose that bond with her daughter, which other parents shared.
We are really proud of you, our dear daughters. You have done so well in your life. Here is something for all of us for you, the Achievement Awards for our gorgeous girls.
May we call upon teacher Neha Singh and Joseph sir on the stage to hand over these awards. It's because of teachers like you and the school that our kids could see through their best and became what they wish to.
And here we call our great achievers, Dr. Neha, Computer Engineer Princey, the CA Pallavi, Deepthi, the choreographer, MasterChef Sudha, the winner of the Best Author of the Year, Manisha, and last but not the least, our dear Shikha, a great software engineer.
you, Mom. I want to say something on everyone's behalf.
Here you go, my child.
We all thank you from the core of our heart for this great surprise. There is always someone behind our success. The real winner is not just us, it's you all, our parents. Thank you for understanding what we wanted. Thank you for not forcing your dreams and expectations upon us. We are really glad because we have supporting parents like you. We know it was hard, but you were always with us. We failed many attempts, but you encouraged us. I wish all parents were like you.
Stop! Please stop! That is not true for all, Deepthi. Please stop. Shikha, all are not so lucky. There are some like me too. Look at me. I'm successful. I have money. I have a good job. But I have just become a working robot. Lifeless, helpless, and emotionless. All thanks to my parents for forcing their dreams and expectations without thinking about my interests, my passion.
But Shikha, we love you. We always wanted the best for you, and see, you have got the best.
No, Mom, this is not the best for me. I find it hard to work on computers, but I am forced to do so. I make several mistakes and get scolded by my boss. My degrees have got me a job, but what about my happiness, my satisfaction? You never paid attention to what I wanted and gave me what you thought I wanted. I love dancing, Mom. I wanted to be a choreographer. But look at me. I neither became the best at software designs, nor did I become a good choreographer. Your pressure took away my precious happiness, my friends, my emotions, my childhood, everything away from me. All this percentage scenario, it became a fearful trauma for me. I can't be like normal people. Didn't you notice that? You failed me. You failed me, Mom. I'm done now.
Life. It's a small phase from birth to death, and there is a lot to do. In this race of life, we achieved something, and a few dreams could not be fulfilled because we were told to be responsible for our future, for our family, and for our society. Somehow we managed. But what next? This? It's not bad to wish and dream for our children. We should. After all, we are their parents. But let's not be harsh. Let's not over-expect from them. Let's be more friendly and help them recognize themselves. Help them to build up. We indeed will always be there to guide, but let's not force them. Let them not run away from us. Let them be more comfortable in sharing their thoughts and taking our advice. That is only possible when we will. Let them live. Let them listen to their heart.